Hello everyone, good day and good morning, good afternoon. I just would like to share the steps and this good news to each and every one of you. All right, so my YouTube channel is now back for monetization. All right. So, alam ko na noong panahon ng pandemya ay kinakailangan nating magkaroon ng oportunidad na kahit papaano ay kumita. All right? So, to give you a brief background what happened to my YouTube channel, way back prior to pandemic, I started creating my YouTube channel. And that was in 2020. However, I was not able to achieve the requirements of YouTube during that time. And it was very high time that during pandemic, October of 2021, the monetization was actually approved. And November, I started earning from my YouTube channel. Right. So November of 2022, I started earning money from YouTube. However, after a month, I received a notification from my YouTube Partners program that they will gonna post my YouTube channel because of some violation. Alright, so I'm glad that yesterday I actually sent my fourth or fifth appeal since it was posted. So nag-send ako kahapon ng appeal for remonetization. And kahapon din na-approve yung aking appeal at ngayon po ay back to monetization na ang aking YouTube channel. And that is that is what I wanted to share with you guys, so that maybe some of you are still having a problem, still having a struggle on how to apply for an appeal to monetize their YouTube channel. All right. So pardon me because this is very detailed because uh, if we can discuss this in short, but I don't think we can able to understand the problem. So let me help you spot the problem and so on and so forth. All right. So by the way, aside from YouTube, I'm actually earning also from my YouTube channel. Aside from rather Facebook. As you can see in the left photo, eTech International was approved for one or more monetization tools. So visit monetization overview in Creator Studio to view your tools. So to get the most out of your new monetization tools, we recommend finishing any optional tasks that you did not complete before submitting your page for review. Alright. So aside from my YouTube channel, I'm also earning money from my Facebook. So my Facebook page is eTech International. So I was also earning money from Facebook. And this is the certificate that I got from Google way back when I created and applied for an AdSense before. So yeah, so if you have this kind of earnings, of course, your life will be at peace. So you chill every day. Even though we have pandemic, as long as you are earning money from home, there's no problem. So here's what I usually do. By the way, I am a person with disability. And this is the saddest part. This is the saddest part that I've encountered in 2022. Okay, last quarter of 2022, when I received a notification from a YouTube Partners program telling me that the monetization was paused due to violation. Alright, community policy violation. Your question has been posted into the YouTube community. So, ginawa ko lahat. Nag-post ako sa YouTube community. Lahat, kinuwento ko, buong buo. I tell the whole story, what happened to my YouTube channel, why it was being posted for monetization, and so on so forth. I message the help section of YouTube, but to no avail. Okay? So, every month that, they will be giving me some opportunities to send an appeal, it was not approved. So, it was always declined. Right? So, lagi siyang nade-decline yung appeal ko for monetization, remonetization. So, hindi ko maintindihan kung ano yung problema. Kasi ang nakalagay doon sa problema nila is that reuse content violation. Pero I did everything. Alright? So, in the previous content that I have had with the YouTube channel is that I have more than 1,200 videos before in my YouTube channel. And maybe more than 900 plus or almost 1,000 of these videos are actually taken from TikTok. So that's why I violated the reuse content. And then after receiving the message from YouTube, what I did was I deleted everything. 100%. Dinelete ko yung video na nakuha ko sa TikTok. Pero kapag nagsasend ako ng appeal, lagi siyang nade-decline. So, July 2. Actually, magkasunod lang. July 2 na-decline. Tapos July 2 rin nag-appeal din ako uli. Nag-re-apply ako. Itong July 2022. As you can see, July 2022 is not approved siya, di ba? So, in less than few minutes, a few hours lamang, nag-send uli ako ng appeal. And, ayun, sabi kong ganun, naintindihan ko na yung violation ko. Okay? So, gaya ng sinabi ko, I have more than 1,200 plus videos on my YouTube channel. And more than 1,000 are taken from TikTok. So, that's why my monetization was being posted. And then what I did is I deleted 100% of the TikTok videos. So, pero kahit na even though I already deleted the TikTok videos, still my appeal was not approved by YouTube. Okay? The reason is that they still found out that I still do not meet YouTube Partners Program policy. Okay? So, what I did is to drill down the problem. I read everything. I will walk you through each and every steps so that you will be able to remonetize your YouTube channel. Okay, as you can see, July 5. July 5. So, kasi noong July 2, nakatanggap ako ng remonetize at hindi na-approve yung aking appeal noong July 2. So, mula July 2 hanggang July 5, pinag-aralan ko yung YouTube Partner Program Policies. Ayan. So, kinilik ko lang yung YouTube Partner Program Policies na yan. Binasa ko, inintindi ko hanggang dun sa monetization page. Inintindi ko yan hanggang noong July 5, 2022 ay nag-send ako ng appeal. Okay, nag-send ako ng appeal noong July 5, 2022. Ayan. Tapos, pagka-send ko, nagulat ako kagabi. Actually, kagabi lang. Okay, ano na ba ngayon? July 6 today. Is July 6, 2022. Okay, so kagabi pag-check ko ng aking email, nakita ko kaagad yung your YouTube Partner Program appeal was successful. So nakakatuwa, di ba? It was already been approved and now I can monetize again using my YouTube channel. All right, so yeah, so that's okay. So punta tayo doon sa email. To you new. YouTube. Basahin ko yung YouTube, ha? Teka, hanapin ko yung YouTube na hindi na-approve. Ito kasi successful na siya eh, yun oh. Yung hindi pa siya na successful para ipakita ko sa inyo. Eh, dito yun siguro sa update. Ayun oh. July 2. Oh. Yun. So, July 2, 1:30 a.m. So, is not approved. Learn how to. What I did is, kinilik ko lang yan. Click nyo siya. Mapupunta kayo dito sa YouTube channel Monetization Policies. Tapos, i-right click ninyo yung Community Guidelines. I-right click ninyo yung Terms of Service. I-right click ninyo yung Copyrighted Guidelines. I-right click ninyo yung Google AdSense Policies. Basahin ninyo isa-isa. So, pag nabasa nyo na yan, halimbawa yan. So, ito yung Community Guidelines na una kong kinlik. Tapos, bisitahin ninyo yung YouTube channel ninyo. Visit your YouTube channel and check out if you have contents na mayroong spam and deceptive practices. So, fake engagement, impersonation, and so on and so forth. Sensitive content. Do you have this kind of contents? Do you have violent or dangerous contents? Do you have regulated goods? And so on and so forth. Meron ba kayong misinformation in the channel? Okay? So, if you do not have this, then it's not a problem. Next is, go to the terms of service. So, basahin ninyo yung terms of service ni YouTube. So, try to read all of this. So, in fact, I read this how many times, pero sa sobrang haba kasi, hindi ko siya nababasa before. So, kasi kailangan ko talagang mabalik yung monetization, kaya pinaghirapan kong intindihin at basahin. And then, yung copyright. Okay? Yung copyright. The first rule of copyright. And then, yan. So, pag naintindihan nyo na yan, mga problema na yan, ito yung una kong ginawa. Gumawa ako ng 5 minutes video. Okay? Gumawa ako ng 5 minutes video. Dapat strict to ha. 5 minutes lang yung video. In order for you to to become successful in your appeal, first, create an original video of yours. Show yourself or your voiceover. Second is that make it exactly 5 minutes. Discuss the medium, the platform you are using in creating your contents. So, what I'm doing is, I showed it the Canva license because I am subscribed to Canva. So, this is licensed software. And I'm also using InShot in my using my mobile phone. So, show it in the video that prove it to them that the video, that the contents you are posting on your channel is 100% original. Okay? 100% original. And show how you create your video. Okay? So, ipakita ninyo yung InShot ninyo kung InShot yung ginagamit ninyo. Or, ipakita ninyo kung ang ginagamit ninyo is Camtasia like this one. So, paano ba ginagamit yung Camtasia and so on and so forth. Ipakita ninyo siya. And then, ipakita rin ninyo yung channel ninyo. Gusto niyo lang makita, ito yung channel ko. This is my channel and so on and so forth. Okay? ipakita mo kung ilan yung video mo dati, sabihin mo, o dati ito, may video ka, and then, state ano ba yung violation mo dati, bakit hindi ka bakit na-post yung monetization ng YouTube mo, and so on so forth. I-explain mo lahat yun, at ang ginawa mo para makorek yung problema, para maintindihan mo yung problema, para maitama mo yung mali. So, gaya nga nyo, your appeal was successful. You can monetize your videos. So, ayun, monetize na uli yung aking video. So, yun lang. Lahat sasabihin mo talaga in 5 minutes. Hindi tatanggapin ni YouTube yung 5.01 minutes. So, still 5 minutes exacto. So, ayun. So, yeah. That's all. Thank you.